Hi there, this is step 1 of our video on how to make a mask. The first thing that you need to do is get some newsprint, a piece of poster board, a pencil, scissors, and I'm going to use a marker because you really can't see very well on this video when we use pencils. Fold your paper in half. Decide if you want your mask to be tall like this or if you want it to be wide like this. I'm going to make a tall one. So you're going to put the corners and the edges together, start in the middle, and just fold it each way. Holding it in the fold side in your left hand, start drawing the edge, outside edge of your mask. And don't put a whole lot of really sharp, hard shapes. And make it as big as you possibly can. So you have a lot to design and a lot to paint. Yeah, I think I like this design pretty well right there. So now I'm going to keep it together and I'm going to fold and cut. And when you cut, you have to learn if you want to be really good at cutting. And by the 3rd grade, our cutting skills should be getting pretty good. And just move it around as you just keep cutting. That hand that has the scissors doesn't move except up and down. The other hand is the one that's turning the paper all over the place. Now, if you don't like it, the first one that you do, you can get another piece of paper, and you're welcome to cut another one. But once you get the poster board, that's it. Now this is what my mask looks like now. So if that's okay, and I say it's okay, and you're happy with it, get your poster board. Now this is a little harder to fold. So if you have a hard time with it, I can help you get started. Fold that. It's the same size before you cut it out. Then we're just going to lay this on top of it. And it kind of like wraps around it. And again, I'm just going to trace one side. So I'm going to take my marker. Whoops. You'll use a pencil, because if you mess it up, it's kind of hard to cover it up. But I want you to be able to see. So I'm going around. Okay. Again, before you cut it, anytime you get ready to cut something, you need to check and make sure it's okay. Now, still holding it by the fold, I'm going to cut it together. Now, this is a little bit harder. You might want to just leave it flat and trace all the way around the mask and then try to cut it out exactly to match. Sometimes it doesn't work out that well, and that's why if you have the strength in your hands to cut it out this way, I suggest that you do it this way. But I will not do it for you. What that does is makes me get much, much better, and it doesn't teach you anything. Okay. So there's my mask. And I can decide, I think it's going to go this way, and I'll put my eye line, my nose line, and my mouth line the next time we get together. Thank you. Bye.